Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in computer class. Students, we are on chapter 5, that is computer networking and multimedia basics. And today we will discuss in this chapter or our today's topic is cloud computing and multimedia. Okay, so today we will discuss about cloud computing, what is cloud computing, where we need these types of term, okay, advantage, disadvantage, and also we will discuss about multimedia and social networking sites. Okay, so let's start our class. Here student, the first term, that is what is cloud computing. Okay, because you heard this name I think from your elder brother and sisters, any institution, any magazine. Okay, so here first we discuss about what is cloud computing. The cloud computing refers to the manipulating, configuring and accessing the application online. Okay, that means ki in online, in digital environment, there is a place. From there, that place we access, manipulate or configure our application. For example, if we have a pen drive and we store any of the document, important document on that. Okay, after some time, suppose our pen drive miss or any problem in that, so we lost our data. So in online basis, the digital environment provide you space online to save, manipulate or configure your data or any type of information. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a place in online environment where you save your data, document or any of the things and you use any time. Okay, and in this modern time we use in real life day we use different types of cloud computing, and the best application, that is email. Email is also application of a cloud computing, because from email we send or receive our message, okay, electronically basis, and we store any of our data or any message, image on that. Okay, that means ki there is no any chance to lose our data. Okay, so here cloud computing is both combination of software and hardware based computing resources delivered as the network service. Okay, so cloud computing provides a different service for our application program, that is through network. When we are a network, then we save or manipulate our data and access our application properly. So this is all about what is cloud computing, and here in another terms, cloud computing is the dynamic provision of the providing hardware, software and services from the third parties over a network. Okay. Cloud computing is internet-based computing where shared resources, software, information are provided to computers and other devices on demand. Okay, it is run by third party. Cloud computing is a computing platform for the next generation of the internet. So here we learn about what is the characteristics of cloud computing. Cloud computing basically works on the principle of pay as you use. Okay, cloud computing customer do not own the physical infrastructure, instead avoid capital expenditure by renting uses from a third party provider. Okay, that means ki we haven't purchased or physically infrastructures we made, but we own this or we own our place online basis through in a network by third party. They consume resources as a service and pay only for resources that they use. Advantage of cloud computing, clients does not have to worry about buying anything. ठीक है, वहाँ पे आपको कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आपको कुछ खरीदना है. He pay for what use, what you want to use, you only pay for that. He can access services anywhere and any time, but he cannot own it. Okay. Here, implementation of cloud computing, that means कि in how many way we implement our computing. So student, there were two terms, according to deployment basis and according to service basis. Here we discuss about according to deployment basis the types of cloud computing, that is private cloud, public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. Okay, and hybrid, that means key combination of public and private. Okay, so here we will discuss about public cloud. What is public cloud? As your name suggests, public cloud, public, that is open for all. So here in public cloud, also external cloud outside organization provide the infrastructure, software and platform required to implement the cloud. The public cloud follow pay as you go model. You only pay for the service you are consuming. Okay, email is most basic types of the service offer on the public cloud. Okay, because email is used by all person. Advantage, user don't have to worry about managing underlying IT infrastructure. For example, we use email services, okay, you all use, but there is no need to buy or purchase anything, and there is no need to maintenance of that. The third party that maintain all everything. Okay. Now we talk about private cloud. Private cloud, private as you term, listen, private, that means only personal use. Okay, so here private cloud refers to having your own private cloud computing infrastructure. So instead of relying on the external public cloud service provide infrastructure, you would have your own. For example, student, if any of the organization, any company want to create your own private cloud, okay, so they have to own space through network, that is online basis, to store their organization or institution data or information. Okay, so they provide their employees to private cloud to save their data or any types of file or folder, whatever they want to save. In a private cloud, also called internal cloud, the infrastructure for implementing the cloud is in fact completed organization and manipulated by the enterprise. It is most suitable a large organization or enterprise. ठीक है, तो प्राइवेट क्लाउड जरूरी नहीं है कि सबको ये लेना ही है, बट those organization or companies or any firm want to save our data on online basis, so they own their private cloud. Okay. Cloud computing service, simple form, here search engine, okay, webmail, these are the examples of cloud computing. Because you search any of the thing, okay, you got very easy way, okay. So this is the example of cloud computing, because here we haven't need to maintain the infrastructure, any types of maintenance, okay. Cloud computing services, more complex form, for example, web-based office application, online photo, document sharing. Okay, these are the example of or services, cloud computing. More complex form, for example, Google, Amazon Web Services. These are the example of cloud computing services. Now here, benefit of cloud computing. Cloud computing helps to cut down cost, ability to meet changing user demand quickly, okay, environment friendly है, rapid elasticity है, ठीक है, it is easy to install technology, it is on demand self service. In the event of a disaster, data is virtually not lost. ठीक है, mainly the best benefit why we use cloud computing, because here there is no chance to lost our data. Easy to develop in your own web-based application. It is highly automated. Cloud computing free up internal resources. ठीक है, cloud computing help business become mobile. So student, पब्लिक क्लाउड पब्लिक क्लाउड जो आपका टाइप्स है दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. ओके, एंड जो आपका प्राइवेट है दैट इज इंटरनल. Here is some drawback. Okay, often limited, no technical support available. When these are technical issue, you may lose access to your data of your application. No control on the traffic. If the company hosting the application goes out business, you may lose access to your data. Okay, so these are the some drawback of the cloud computing. This is the architecture of the cloud computing. In how many ways, और हम कह सकते हैं कि क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग आर्किटेक्चर इन हाउ आवर डाटा सिस्टम्स और डिफरेंट devices are connected to each other. This is the example here. You see this the cloud, okay, that is store server, main server system, and you are connected to here. Okay, these are the examples of cloud, and you all see these types of application when you go through online. Okay, so this is the example of cloud computing. Now student, we will discuss about multimedia. Okay, so here the term multimedia, and here this term, that is combination of multi plus media, and student here the terms media come by मीडियम को ही जो है और आपका एक्सट्रैक्ट करके आपका मीडिया बनाया गया है. ठीक है, तो मल्टी मीडियम, व्हाट इज द मीडियम फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ information that we see on the internet. Okay, so here multimedia refers to combination of many types of media in one application. ठीक है, एक एप्लीकेशन में वो सभी कौन कौन से मल्टी मीडियम है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के मीडियम है जिसके थ्रू हम इंफॉर्मेशन या कोई चीज़ें एक दूसरे से जो है शेयर कर सकते हैं. द प्राइमरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया सिस्टम इज टू यूज मोर देन वन काइंड ऑफ मीडिया टू डिलीवर कंटेंट एंड फंक्शनैलिटी. ओके, सो हियर वी डिस्कस अबाउट how many different types of multimedia to share or we talk any of the person. So here the text, the first one is text. Okay, so here you see this is the example of the text what you see in this slide. Okay, so this is the way of talking with the help of text messages. We send SMS to one person to another. Okay, second one is graphics and image, that is the digital form of our photograph, that is called the graphic and images. Here graphics refers to the illustration and the image refer to capture photos. Both are still pictures. Okay, either it is in GIF, PNG, JPG, JPEG. Okay, these types of file format you send from one place to another. Third one is audio form. Okay, when we want to share our information in voice messages, that is your audio form. Okay, they are only use of voice, not your picturization, that means video. Okay, next one is video. Video refers to digitally recorded moving content. That content rapid progression of the picture, and it is in form of MPEG, AVI, WMV, QuickTime. This is the file extension of the video form. And last one is animation. Animation is the process of making a static image look like it is moving. For example, you all see cartoon. Okay, so there is not a any moving picture, but we make that combination, the static picture, in such a way that you see that all the things are animated in cartoon. Okay, that is our static image, but we apply in a group of that image in such a way, 2D or 3D form, that it look like that all the things are animated. Okay, so here we the category of the animation, that is 2D and 3D. Now student, the next term is social networking networking. Okay, and here we will discuss about the social networking site also, and you all similar or friendly with these topics. Okay, so you all go through this topic yourself and I will ask question from this topic. Okay, so student, this is all about our today's class, and here we have discussed about the cloud computing, multimedia. Okay, and you all go through this video and also read from your book. If there is any problem, then ask me.